In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Behance account smoothly, whether you're new to Adobe or already using one of its products. This will be your gateway to showcasing your creative work and connecting with a global community of artists and designers. Let's dive right in. First, it's essential to understand the role of an Adobe ID in this process. Behance, as part of the Adobe family, uses your Adobe ID as your login credential. This means that if you already have an account with Adobe for use with other products like Photoshop or Illustrator, you can use the same email address here. This approach is designed to consolidate your activities and make managing your creative applications more seamless. It's quite convenient as it keeps all your Adobe apps and services under one unified account, simplifying your workflow across different platforms. Now, let's get started with creating your Behance account. You'll want to head over to behance.net to begin. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up with Email option, which is the most direct route if you prefer using an email login. Alternatively, you may notice other sign-up options such as Apple, Facebook, or Google. These can be great alternatives if you prefer to use an existing social or Apple account for quicker access. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to fill in some preliminary details. These include your name, your email address, and your location. It's also time to create your Behance URL, which will be your unique web address on the platform. Think of it like your personal online studio address, so consider using your name or artist brand for easy recognition. Now, an important step to note after signing up is the email verification. An email will be sent to your inbox containing a confirmation link. Clicking this link isn't mandatory at first, but it will be required to unlock all of Behance's features later. This verification step ensures you gain full access, including the abilities to message others, upload projects, and receive feedback from the community. If you happen to be someone who already has an Adobe ID, skip the sign-up hurdles by simply signing in. Once you enter your existing credentials, Behance automatically activates your profile, making the transition into the platform smooth and immediate. What should you do next after you've set up your account? Take some time to explore the array of tags and curated galleries available. Following creators who inspire you is a great way to start populating your For You feed with content that resonates with your interests and artistic aspirations. This will not only personalize your experience but also expose you to a diverse range of projects and creative ideas. Remember, verification via email ensures you have access to the platform's full functionality, so don't overlook this step. And that's all there is to it. You're now ready to begin your creative journey on Behance. Happy creating!